The very method of the King's coming to Malta was dramatic in the extreme. He came from North Africa on board the cruiser Aurora. She steamed slowly into Valletta harbour, its bomb-torn shores crowded with wildly excited people. Nowhere else in the world could a royal visit have created so...
Attention, this is not a test. A national emergency is taking place in Malta. The Mediterranean people are invading our country. The soldiers and the military are working hard to stop them. Get to an underground shelter. May God bless this country.